Now, we will explore the additional items that make up a VBA project. These components provide extended functionality and organization to your VBA code. Let's start by taking a closer look at each of these items. Global definitions are variables or constants that are accessible throughout the entire VBA project. They're declared at the top of your code modules and can be used anywhere in your project, providing a consistent and centralized way to manage important values. Event procedures are special types of procedures that run in response to specific events, such as opening a workbook, clicking a button, or changing a cell value. These procedures allow you to automate actions based on user interactions or other triggers within your Excel environment. References allow your VBA project to use external libraries and objects that provide additional functionality. By setting references, you can leverage built-in Excel libraries as well as custom or third-party libraries, enhancing the capabilities of your VBA code. Class modules are used to create custom objects with their own properties, methods, and events. This object-oriented approach helps you manage complex data and behaviors within your VBA projects, promoting code reuse. Understanding these additional items, global definitions, event procedures, references, class modules, will enhance your ability to structure and extend your VBA projects. Each component plays a role in the functionality and organization of your code.